Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. My name is Ashley. I always forget to introduce myself. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Ashley and I am the creator of Charmed by Ashley. Today we're going to be talking about 10 different sewing projects you can do in less than an hour that you can use as gifts this holiday season. Now I know that it might be a little early and we just finished Christmas, but some people started making their gifts in July. That's a thing. But now that we're in November and we're kind of like off to the races, now's a good time to get all of your kind of handmade gifts sorted out so that you can kind of sit back and enjoy December. That's the goal, at least, right? So that you're not running around like a chicken with your head cut off trying to get things done. So we're going to talk about 10 different projects. These are tutorials that are on my YouTube channel, and I will have links to all of these tutorials down in the description box. I'll also have a photograph of what the project is so that you can see it. And yeah, let's just get into the tutorials. Okay, so the first two tutorials are going to be for the pet lover in your life. The first one is a Doggy Donut Toy, complete with squeakers and stuffing, and it's really rugged and durable. And I just released this tutorial actually yesterday, and it is such a great gift idea. It can be paired with maybe some treats, but you can either give it to your pup or give it to a friend's pup, because we all love our fur babies and we don't want to leave them out. So this is a really quick and easy project, far less than an hour to make it, and I think that you'll really enjoy it, and the joy that you will see in the person who's receiving it to give to their pup is going to be amazed. Now the next one is for the cat lovers, because we can't leave them out. I am actually both. I'm a hybrid. I'm a cat lover and a dog lover. I have both of them at my feet, but the kitty cat one is a catnip toy. It's called a cat kicker, and basically it's infused. It's not full, but there's a bit of catnip in there, and then they kind of hug it and they kick it with their back feet, and my cat really likes it. She likes to spend time with it, and my neighbor's cat actually, like, you know, does flips on the ground with it because they love it so much. There's a little bit of ribbon on it for some extra sensory, and they just have a blast with it. So again, another thing that you can pair with a little bag of treats, and would be an adorable, just a little gift, you know, just a little I'm thinking of you gift for the cat lover in your life. Okay, so this one is for the book lover in your life. And if you are gifting any books to anybody this holiday season, I think it would be really, really sweet to add a little fabric bookmark to it. I think they're super cute, and I use them for notebooks or books alone or textbooks or just about any type of book, cooking book or recipe. What do I call it? Cookbook. That's what it's called. But I think it's a really cute addition. It kind of just adds that handmade touch, that little, I cared a little bit more than just I bought you a book. You know what I mean? And they're super easy to make and a great stash buster. I think you can bang those out in like 15 minutes for a couple. Like, they're really awesome, and they're great for teachers as well. Okay, so then I have a few for the beauty guru in your life. The first one is the spa headband, and this one is a very popular tutorial. Like, it has some views and people love it. I know Catherine from Bringing Sewing Back on Instagram. She has over 100,000 followers. She loves to sew up a bunch of these headbands every year, and she's always wearing them in her videos. It's just so much fun when I see her wearing her spa headband. But it would be a great little gift to add also to a little basket, maybe makeup, maybe a Sephora gift card, something like that. My daughter uses hers all the time, so anybody, tweens, women, you know, it's just a great little gift item. And they're quite expensive at the store. And I went to the dollar store and I bought like a baby blanket, and I made them out of that because they were soft and fuzzy, and it was just, yeah. So I mean, you don't really need to go and spend a lot of money on fabric to you can be resourceful and get those things like at the dollar store. And the next one for the beauty guru is some circle pads. These are reusable that can be thrown in the wash, and these are great for applying toner or applying, you know, what's it called? The stuff for your acne. Oh my goodness, I haven't used it in so long. Help me out in the comments. You know what I'm talking about, right? The stuff that burns your face. Or also you can use it to clean off your makeup or your eyes. I made it out of minky fabric and flannel, so it's super soft. And then I would also give a little mesh baggie to go along with it so that it can be like thrown in there and then put in the wash so that they all stay together. My daughter uses them. They're really, really handy. And then I don't have to go and buy the little cotton rounds, so it is environmentally friendly too. I really enjoy them and we use them all the time. So a great addition to a little basket or some beauty products. The next tutorial is a sort of a take on the Fob Keychain. You know, the short one that goes around your wrist, and it's actually a scrunchy Fob Keychain. And these are actually really trendy these days because everybody has the keychain fobs, but this one looks like a scrunchie and you can make it in different fabrics. I've made it in silk or cotton, or like a softer material. All you need is that little key fob hardware, and those are usually pretty cheap over on Amazon, and then just I think a 3/4 inch elastic and then whatever fabric you want to use. And again, another good stash buster, but these are well loved by so many people. It's a very popular tutorial and an excellent gift this holiday season, especially like a little stocking stuffer gift. For sure. Okay, and the next one is going to be 2 zipper tutorials. One is of course a wonderful wide mouth zipper pouch that can be used for anything. I like to pack them up with some little goodies, maybe some soaps or something like that. And then also the other tutorial is actually clear vinyl pouches, which is a great thing for makeup or for the teachers, you know, so that they can organize all their little supplies for their little room. I have the tutorial that shows you how to make 3 different clear vinyl pouches. One is the flat one, and then the boxed bottom, and then the full box pouch. So as you can see, I'm showing pictures of those. So it's a very versatile tutorial. I mean, everybody loves to get zipper pouches. They're great for traveling. They're great for, you know, just storing craft supplies or makeup or just all the things. So it's definitely a tutorial that I would highly recommend if you're looking for some good zipper pouches or clear vinyl pouches. Okay, another great one is the circle makeup pouch or toy pouch. So you could use this for makeup or toys, but it is, I'm sure you've seen it, it was trending. I've made this tutorial years ago, so if you've seen it currently, then it's been around for a while, is basically what I'm trying to say. But it's really great because it'll lay flat and then you can actually see all of your makeup or all your toys. I've seen this made in a larger version and people have used it for Legos so that they could just have like a big Lego play mat and then they can just play inside of it and then cinch it up and then clean up all the Legos. Like, it's really a fantastic tutorial. And it's great for traveling. It's just so many uses for this little pouch, and I think it's super fun and adorable, and anyone would like it. Okay, and the last tutorial is actually a dollar store hack, and it is where you get the little hot pads and you get their little tea towels, which are super cute, and you sew them together, and then you have these fun hanging tea towels that are perfect for around the holidays so that they don't fall on the ground and get dirty, because I know that happens all the time. Easy, quick, it could be added to a basket of, you know, cooking supplies or whatever, but I think that they're really fun and easy to make, and I use mine all the time. Okay, so that is the end of my list. I hope that you enjoy these 10 different projects that you can make in less than an hour for the holiday season, and you give some of them a try. And if you do, I hope that when you're over at those tutorials, you let me know in the comment section that you came from this tutorial and you're really excited to be able to sew up that said project. Furthermore, if you do have any suggestions or projects that you would like to add to the list, please don't hesitate to comment down below. We want to know what your favorite projects are for this holiday season. What are your go-to? What are your crowd pleasers? I think that's the question. You know, there's probably a lot. I know that I could go on and on with 10 is just not enough, but this video would take too long if I added any more. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.